Legal expert writes Tinubu, NSA, orders demands enforcement of court ruling, barring Akpabio from presiding over Nigerian Senate. Good day, my dear listeners. Here I bring to you an interesting news. Moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. A legislative law expert, Dr. Toye Clinton Laja, has written an open letter to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu demanding immediate enforcement of a recent court judgment, barring Senate President Godswill Akpabio from presiding over the Senate. He also copied the letter to the National Security Advisor NSA, the Director General of the Department of State Services DSS, the Inspector General of Police IGP, and the 109 senators of the National Assembly. In the letter dated July 8, 2025, Jaja warned that any bill passed with Senator Akpabio as presiding officer from now until September 2025 would be null and void, citing a judgment delivered by Justice Binta Lunyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja, on July 4, 2025. He stated, "As a concerned citizen of Nigeria, I am offering this free legal advisory to alert the law enforcement agencies of an imminent breakdown of law and order if not well managed." Based on the judgment of 4th July 2025, delivered by Honorable Justice Binta Lunyako, the Senate President, His Excellency Godswill Akpabio GOL and Senator Nedai Maswen were both found in violation of Section 63 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999. Jaja recalled that the judgment directed the Senate to amend its Standing Orders 2023 to align with the Constitution. He further noted that Senator Akpabio has been listed as a prosecution witness in a case against Senator Natasha Lakpoti-Loduagan, scheduled for hearing in September 2025. In view of the foregoing, and since the Senate President has not submitted any appeal against the said judgment, he is legally barred from presiding over plenary sessions of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria until after the hearing of the case in September 2025, Jaja wrote. He urged the 109 senators to act in accordance with Order 22 of the Senate Standing Orders 2023 by electing a President of the Senate pro tempore to oversee proceeding in the interim. Jaja warned of an impending constitutional crisis, pointing out that the National Assembly has been stalled since the year 2024 due to the Senate's failure to concur with 446 bills from the House of Representatives, as required by Section 53 of the Senate Constitution. Already, the National Assembly Constitutional Review Committees of both the Senate and House of Representatives have received memorandum calling for alteration amendment of 53 of the Nigerian Constitution to permit either chamber of the National Assembly to submit its bills directly to the president for assent, he said. According to him, this move has arisen to prevent a situation such as the current situation wherein the entire business and machinery of lawmaking would be altered because of the failure of one chamber of the National Assembly to perform its duty of concurrence of bill. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Yeah, moving down to the comment section. The first comment here says, did I hear that a legal expert wrote to Tinubu? The NST and others demand enforcement. What again? Could someone please explain it to me? As I am not understanding for new country. A comment here says, when they are told, do not spread corruption in the land, they reply, we are only peacemakers. A comment here says, who taught that particular legal expert law? A comment here says, constitution and rule of law only operates in democracy which suspended since 2015. A comment here says, last comment here says, ruling of suit, which one? Wait, oh. My dear listeners, now we have come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.